So what is this?
It was on sale. So
It was on sale. So
it was on sale.
So what is it?
It's a Tiki Rum Mai Tai in a can.
Tiki Rum Mai Tai in a can. What's that supposed to taste like?
We're going to find out.
We're going to find out. Okay. This might be the shortest episode ever. Stay tuned.
So here we are. We are going to test and taste the Cutwater Tiki Mai Tai in a can. And after we do that, we're going to kind of figure out what it may need or may not. So to begin with, if you have never seen the Tiki Rum Mai Tai in a can, here it is. And the really bizarre, funny thing about it is it does have a Bali High Tiki Gold rum in it. I never even really thought that they would have that in a can, I guess. Yeah, Bali High Tiki rum. So it does come with that rum in the can. It also has a pineapple coconut flavor, some citrus, and we're going to kind of go through those tasty notes as we open it up and we try it.
Sounds good.
Okay. See.
First you take one guy. How do we even do this on this one? Crack the can. Pour.
It's already looking very light. I kind of figured that would come out a little darker, but I guess gold rum, it's a little bit light.
Even in the green glass.
Even in the green glass. So let's take a sip and see what we think.
What's it supposed to taste like?
Well, it is supposed to have a flavor of like pineapple, coconut, a little citrus is what the taste notes say. So kind of let's give it a whirl. You want me to go first?
You bought it. You're tasting it.
You're going to get to go after with my lip gloss. Ooh, yeah. Whew. I'm going to wait. What do you think?
Tastes like flavoring in a can.
You know, it's very flat. There is absolutely no zing to it. So it's very, very flat. Kind of like what I've said before about some drinks. It's like a melted popsicle.
Yeah.
Like you're drinking melted popsicle water. That's what it tastes like.
It's like if you had a glass of pineapple with ice in it, pineapple juice with ice in it, and you let all the ice melt and then came back and took a drink. That's what it tastes like to me.
It's kind of weird. So the smell is kind of lime, a teeny bit of like coconut, I think, a little bit of maybe pineapple. Are you getting that? Just a teeny hint. I don't really taste any rum.
It's very, very light with the flavor.
I don't taste rum.
Yeah, and with the smell, even they're both really light, and there's not much of anything with it. I taste zero rum out of it.
I don't taste
I was just looking
rum.
at it. It's a 12%, so it's a 20 proof thing.
Yeah,
so
I don't get it. I'm not understanding it. Even, did you get orange out of there? I kind of got a little hint of orange.
See a little orange.
A teeny bit. Now that I said it, yeah. Take another taste. You get like a little orange, kind of like flat orange soda, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Like a Fanta.
So, okay, how can we fix it? Because it's extremely flat. It's kind of like just like level. Like there's no zing or any like woo out of it. It's just very flat. I could see cracking these open if you were out and tailgating somewhere and you were just pouring it on a hot day with a lot of ice. I can understand. Like it would be fine. Not a bad, thing. But I think we need to fix it up.
Yeah, 110 at a pool. It'd probably be fine to drink if you're kind of slamming them down pretty quick.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be bad.
So let's do something different with it. Let's add a little lime. I did cut this lime down because these limes that we got were like that big. So we cut that down. So let's kind of figure that out and see what it does. Other way.
Oops. Well, it's like
it's gonna squeeze. It's gonna go out and hit me in the face.
Lime,
there we go. Okay.
I'm not putting this whole thing in here either.
Please do.
Put the whole thing?
Yeah, I want the whole thing in there.
Oh.
See? Okay, so yeah, I want the whole thing.
It's going everywhere.
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's put a little bit of orgeat in there to kind of give it that almond flavor that the Mai Tai usually has.
The Trader Vic's probably not gonna help with a little bit more artificial flavoring instead of doing mine. That's
all right.
We're out.
We'll do that, and then obviously, we have to do a float because I like my float. And what is a Mai Tai without a nice float? So let's try that and let's see. Maybe we could do. I need a little bit more because I literally can't take it, and I want to see the color. What? Obviously, a drink tastes better if it looks pretty. So let's just do that. Let's see what happens. Do you want to go first?
Yep.
Ladies first?
There
okay.
Let's go ahead. Okay.
It looks really pretty. It's all lit up. But I'm gonna do this because I need to be able to taste it. Okay. I really hope that this fixes it up. Although it kind of. A little better. Not much. Not much. What do you think?
I think now it just tastes sweeter.
Yeah, because of that.
We made it sweeter.
That's why
That's about it.
Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's redo a little more. Again, okay, are you going to buy a can of this and go through all this trouble to make the Mai Tai taste like a Mai Tai? No. We're just doing this. we're just trying to fix it. That's a little better. Now that the lime is down in there, you can get the lime oil. It actually has like a depth of flavor to it. Yeah?
That helped it.
Yeah, it did help it. Oh my goodness. That is not that great.
There's not much to it.
Yeah.
Give me your as a Mai Tai. Rank it.
No, I don't even want to rank it because it doesn't taste like a Mai Tai. So I would say 0, big fat 0 for a Mai Tai. There is absolutely nothing in this can that would tell me it's a Mai Tai at all. Other than just it says Mai Tai on the can. I'm like, and that's what got me to buy it. It was on sale. I was like, oh, Mai Tai. So I had to buy it. No, a 0 for me. No, nothing. Yeah,
big 0 for me too.
Big 0, absolutely.
Yep. I think I gave the bad one a 1 even, but yeah.
It's a 0.
We're in our new 0 zone. We're giving this a 0.
I'd say, as a cocktail, it's not even a cocktail. This is not even a cocktail. This is a can, and
yeah, this is a new realm. How do we define? Like, we're still defining a cocktail as like a cocktail, something you would get at a bar.
We did dress it up a little bit. So as a cocktail, if we were to go that route,
okay.
I mean, what would you say about this? Because, if I was, I don't know, if I was on a cruise or, at a resort and I said, oh, I just want like a nice punch. And they gave this to me, I'd say, oh, it's okay. It's okay. But would I consider this a true cocktail? Absolutely not.
Yeah.
Absolutely not. But it's not horrible.
It's very much like the Maui Mai Tais that we got, where it's like fruit drink and a little artificial and not a whole lot of anything. So it's kind of it's a good example of a really terrible Mai Tai, actually. Like the Bartender's Guide one was super, super artificial.
Yeah.
And that was pretty bad. But I mean, this doesn't taste as artificial and as bad, but it does taste very artificial. It did help to put the lime and the little bit of rum and stuff in it. Mm-hmm. So I would probably be a 1, maybe a 2 with this.
I'll say 1. If you did want to be a lazy bartender though, and you just wanted to serve this up to your friends and make it a little bit better. I mean, obviously, you don't have to go to the store and buy all the different alcohol and everything. You could pour it in there and just add some lime juice and, call it a day. But no, I'll never buy this again. The only reason I did, again, it was on sale and I was curious.
I was going to say, if we're doing a pool thing or an outdoor thing where we're bringing a cooler or something, I would get this and some limes and forget the orgeat and the added rum and stuff like that. I would be okay with it if it's really hot and we're swimming or something like that.
Yeah.
And did that, it would be decent. How much was it?
$4.99 for 4 cans.
How much is it normally?
I think it's like 10 per can. It was $5. It was half off.
So $10 for 4 of those.
It's not terrible.
Yeah, I'd still probably rather do beer.
I would rather do beer too. Yeah, I would rather do beer.
I'd rather get a case of champagne, Miller High Life.
Yeah,
and,
let's do some Miller High Life.
Go from there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not great.
No,
not great.
Not good. Not good at all. So if you guys want to try it, you can. But be forewarned, it's a super, very watery, watered down, flavored, artificially flavored drink in a can.
And to say that, neither one of us like the seltzers or any of those kind of flavored can cocktails that are out right now.
No.
I do have to say with this one, it is the best can Mai Tai that I've had, but they're all kind of equally terrible. Yeah.
You've had other ones?
I've had like 2 or 3 of them.
I've never seen a can Mai Tai before.
So it's not bad from that. If you're into those kind of things, the seltzers and the can cocktails, let us know what you think. You might have a higher opinion from it. We'd be willing to kind of discuss that, but like, we're not into them, so you got to kind of think, wow, it's a little bit more than normal. But yeah, that's kind of it.
Or, just let us know in the comments how you would fix it. Like, what would you do to fix it?
Yeah.
What would you do to make it better or to serve it? Like I said, a lot of people don't have full bars where they have all the different, liquors and all the different fixings to make a beautiful cocktail. So maybe they're going to do this and they're going to add to it and call it a night. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with that either, at all. But I don't know who's gonna finish this drink tonight.
You bought them.
Probably me.
Don't forget to like, comment, share,
Subscribe,
all the good things, and we'll see you next time.